The Philippines is a land of opportunity. With its growing economy, rising tourism industry, and a large expat community, there are countless ways to generate income if you're creative and adaptable. Hi everyone, this is Ashley, and in today's video, I will give you 5 brilliant business ideas. Don't worry, I will not suggest you to be a YouTuber, dropshipping, or crypto. Not that there is something wrong with that, but these ideas are different, and I actually did market research for it. Number one is my favorite, and I really hope one of you do it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Buy a tourist boat in the Philippines. Island hopping is one of the most popular activities for tourists in the Philippines. From Palawan to Boracay to Siargao, visitors line up every day to explore beaches, lagoons, and reefs. But here's the catch. Many of the boats used are outdated, uncomfortable, and sometimes unsafe. Like for real, I have done a lot of island hopping tours in the Philippines, and I actually have a long list of notes on how to make it better. The model is simple. Buy or import a safe, comfortable boat. Emphasis on safe and comfortable, add cushions to the seats for goodness sake. Partner with tour operators who will fill the boat with tourists. Imagine you own a boat that seats 50 people. At 1,500 pesos per passenger, one full trip earns about 75,000 pesos. After paying the crew, fuel, and operating costs, you might net around 40,000 pesos per trip. Run a few tours a week, and you've got a solid income stream. Incredible, right? If you want to partner with me doing this, message me in the Google form down below, and we will hit the ground running. So, what do you think of this idea? Import products from your home country. Living abroad often means craving little comforts that aren't available locally. Your favorite cereal, a particular brand of cheese, wines, condiments, or even toiletries. And it's not just you. Other expats in the Philippines miss those items too. This creates a niche business opportunity. You can be the one who brings a taste of home to the community. You can start small. Import in small batches to test the market. This reduces your risk while helping you see which products sell best. You can use online platforms like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and even YouTube shopping to sell this, or partner with specialty stores or targeting expat hubs in Manila, Cebu, and Angeles City. To do this, many expats work with licensed importers/distributors to handle the paperwork, which makes things smoother. But the things with this is you need to find the winning product, and that could take some trial and error. Open a vegan restaurant. Okay, if you are a vegan hater, don't diss this one out yet, cause this just might make you super rich. Veganism is growing worldwide, and the Philippines is no exception. While plant-based food is still considered niche here, more Filipinos, especially in cities, are becoming health conscious and open to trying alternatives to meat. At the same time, expats and long-term travelers are already looking for more variety when dining out. Outside of Manila and Cebu, however, fully vegan restaurants are still rare, which makes this a huge opportunity for early movers. If you end up doing this, you have to come back here and thank me when you are racking the wheelbarrow full of money in the bank. Don't forget about me, okay? The Philippines hasn't historically been known for healthy eating, but times are changing. More Filipinos are realizing the importance of diet and lifestyle in preventing disease, while expats and travelers continue to demand vegan options. This makes now the best time to open a vegan restaurant. You can ride the wave of health-conscious living and position yourself as a pioneer in a market with huge growth potential. Brilliant, right? Who's vegan here? Comment down below. Create a VA, virtual assistant agency. The Philippines is widely recognized as the global hub for virtual assistants. Thanks to its large English-speaking workforce, strong work ethic, and affordable labor costs compared to Western countries, more businesses than ever are outsourcing tasks here. This trend has only grown in recent years as remote work became mainstream during the pandemic and companies realized they could save money while still maintaining quality. I am a VA myself, and I also have a team of talented VAs. If you need our assistance or if you are interested to partner up to establish your virtual assistant agency, you can reach out to the contact details on the description box below. Creating a VA agency is one of the most future-proof businesses for foreigners in the Philippines. It taps into a booming global trend, provides steady income for you, and delivers life-changing opportunities for local workers. If you can recruit well, train effectively, and market abroad, this business can grow from just a handful of clients into a serious agency with global reach. And last idea on my list today is open a Western-style bakery. I beg someone to do this, please, because I miss a really good bagel and sourdough. Please, someone make it happen. If you love baking, this could be the perfect business. In many Philippine cities, it's still really hard to find authentic sourdough bread, rye, bagels, or European-style pastries. Like, really hard. Local bakeries usually sell soft, sweet bread rolls, delicious in their own right. I love my Filipino pastries and bread, but not what expats or health-conscious Filipinos are craving sometimes. That's where you come in. By opening a Western-style bakery, you can cater to a growing niche of expats and upper-class locals who want Western bread and pastries. Outside of Manila, Cebu, and a few tourist hotspots, there are almost no bakeries offering authentic sourdough or bagels. This makes it a wide-open niche. More foreigners are moving to the Philippines, and they actively look for familiar food options. Middle-class and upper-class Filipinos are more exposed to Western food through travel, social media, and cafe culture. Many want real bread that's healthier and trendier than the usual sweet rolls. Bread and pastries fit perfectly into the growing coffee shop scene in cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Someone make this happen because I really miss a good bagel. And make it affordable so many Filipino can try it. Did I make this entire video so I have a good bagel? Yeah, maybe, who knows? And there you have it. Those are my top 5 business ideas for expat who want to invest in the Philippines. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want me to make another video like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Keep safe!